YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. Today we're diving right into some Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some Ethereum, but before we get into it, gotta let you know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J. You're gonna have to speak to a financial advisor if you're gonna make any financial decisions. Don't buy anything based off this video. Okay, let's talk about, as you guys could see, total market cap coming in at 2.5 trillion. Fear greed index coming in at a 25, and a little bit of fear starting to set in. And this is exactly what we were concerned about, exactly what I was telling you guys about. The fact that we were not yet out of the woods, right? As you guys could see, our market cap still up 3%, but looking heavily volatile. Fear greed index also coming in at 25, but I have a feeling that it's probably a little less. Let's break down some Bitcoin and then we'll dive right into Ethereum. As you guys could see, Bitcoin's seeing some sell-off, and I told you guys we are still in a downtrend. This is exactly what I was saying in my last video. We're creating this wedge right here, and it's not looking good. As a matter of fact, I was saying that this type of pattern can actually have some significant downside. It can sell off pretty significantly, and we would probably see this major price action happen on Thursday, which is exactly what I said. So the price action that we saw yesterday, it does look like this was a fake out. We still create some support levels at 80K and start turning this around? It is possible, but again, now Bitcoin breaking down under this 79.5. This is not good. It's just not what we want to see if you're in terms of like seeing a quick comeback on Bitcoin. It doesn't mean that Bitcoin will not still make a bullish comeback in 2025, but it does mean that this may actually set us back a little bit. And I want to show you exactly why, because I told you guys it's really going to depend on how today closes. And still, I mean, we're still early. It's still 8 o'clock in the morning, but as you guys could see, we've seen some heavy sell action today on this daily candle, and already the market is just absolutely bleeding. It's looking like we've seen a rejection off of the zone right here, and this again is us creating our wedge. I told you guys we need to see a clear confirmed breakout for us to really start getting euphoric, because again, it's not the first time that we broke above even the second level of this Keltner channel, and it hasn't been a clear confirmation. We need to see some confirmation levels. In my opinion, this thing is going to end up seeing more sell-off just based off of this one-day chart. Some of these 1 hour charts also showing off that we're selling off. You guys saw my last video. I'm telling you, I was just mentioning this. We had a chance of creating this bull flag here, but again, if we break down, we were going to be in trouble. And look, sure enough, we did break down. Not only did we break below it, we actually created a bear flag here. We rejected off this point, and that sent us down big time, caused a lot of fear in the market. And that's just kind of how that goes, right? You guys could see here too. Look, 3 retests of this range, and then boom, shoulder. This is a shoulder, head, shoulder, and then drops down, creates this bear flag. This is 2 bearish indicators right here, and we're breaking down below support. This is going to cause some massive sell-off, and as a matter of fact, this is going to be a situation where, look, we're now rejecting off this bottom level. And I told you guys, when we start rejecting off this bottom Keltner channel, it's what I like to call a slippery slope, right? You could see how many times we tried to break above it. We start using this now as resistance, right? So we got to start turning it around. We got to start rounding out this pattern. In my opinion, this is not what it's going to be looking like. This is looking nasty. I mean, this is looking like we're going to see some more sell-off even down below. I mean, honestly, I really think that we're going to be sitting around here even by tomorrow, possibly 74K by tomorrow. And we're at 79 right now. We were at 82 yesterday, and I was telling you guys, we're not out of the woods. I really think that, again, we still need to see a retest of that 68 zone. I know that's not something that everybody wants to hear. I think it's something that's necessary in the market when you take into consideration just how much of a parabolic run that Bitcoin has went on. Ethereum too, like these coins have went on insane runs, and people don't really understand that, right? Like in 2023, like Bitcoin was really $17,000, and Bitcoin really went over $100,000, and now we're sitting at like 79,000, and this is like, guys, this is not really much of a correction. We can have more of a correction. More of a correction would totally be normal. If we corrected all the way down to, like I said, that 68 range, we would still be totally fine, still flowing within this Keltner channel and still be on track for seeing a bull market. Would that mean that we would see a lot more blood in the market? Yeah, absolutely. We would see a lot more sell-off in the market. You guys could see a lot of people are bullish on Bitcoin I'm still bullish on this cycle, and I am too. I'm still bullish on 2025. You guys could see 81% of people bullish on it. In the short term, though, people saying that Bitcoin looking healthy. 23 seconds ago, this guy's saying Bitcoin looking healthy. This is not a healthy Bitcoin. This guy is saying 25 seconds ago, I'm confused. What is happening with the downtrend right now? Bearish on BTC 60K. I'm bearish. I'm bullish. People are split. Some people don't understand why we're still going down. Guys, we are still in a bear trend. This guy said it best right here. He shows it. We're in a bear trend. Like, what the? We just had a rejection. You guys saw the rejection. It happened on the 1 day. We just showed it in real time. So again, that's what I'm paying attention to going into the weekend. This is looking like a short opportunity for bears. I'm not telling you to go take out a short into the weekend, but again, there's opportunities in the market for both sides, and these guys are looking for short opportunities. I did also make a price prediction on Ethereum, and guys, look how close Ethereum is getting to my price prediction. I told you guys my prediction on Ethereum is that this bad boy was going to hit between 1200 and 1100. We're getting close to that range, coming in at 14. Are we going to see some more sell off on XRP? It's just been bear flag after bear flag, and it's been an absolute gold mine for these bears that are shorting this play, man. I've been telling you guys, this is the number one coin that I would be short on till it hits 11 to 12, because there's just too much going against Ethereum right now, as well as this price is just being absolutely suppressed, and it's being bought up by big institutions right now. But we're seeing stuff like gas fees and stuff like that, and we're just seeing Solana take over the market share of Ethereum. In my opinion, Solana has been on an absolute tear, and again, it's taken away from Ethereum a lot, and as so much that I'm actually concerned that XRP might even flip Ethereum. But I do think that Ethereum is a coin that will drop down to like 12 to 1100 and then absolutely shock everybody and absolutely explode in 2025. I do think that this coin is going to have a lot of upside still. It's just a price prediction. These things can always break down. You guys can see Ethereum has had significant breakdowns in the past. Look at some of these sell-offs back here in 2018, how much of sell-off Ethereum had. It went all the way from like $1,100 all the way to like at the bottom, it was like $88. Like literally, this thing has been very volatile, and that's really, this is can be volatile. Like crypto is volatile. That's why I always tell people, do not invest money you cannot afford to lose in cryptocurrency, or that you cannot afford to not see tomorrow. Do I think that Ethereum will still perform over time? It has performed over time. Is it for sure? Nothing's for sure, of course. Again, I do think that there's going to be some sell-off in the short term, but in the long term, I do like Ethereum. I'm bullish on it. I want to know what you guys think, though. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, again, every single comment, every single like, it really helps me in the algorithm, guys. I'm trying to move to Colombia, and I cannot do it without the support of this channel. So, again, even if you just comment Ethereum to the moon or something like that, just to let me know that you guys watched the video, it helps a great deal. And again, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys so much. I'll catch you next video. Peace.